But yes, it could be in the evening.
It could be in the evening.
It could be in the evening.
Good.
And yes, refrain watching too much of TV. As you said, कि instead of focus on something else, you can have a personal life also balanced.
Yeah.
Now, say no to say yes.
Hmm.
In many times, we have to say no because like we have done a case study. So, if we have two works and one work is given by our senior here, I have to help my colleagues sitting here, Mr. Monish. So, I have to set my goals in order to prioritize that. I will be going to my colleagues and this is the important work. You decide now.
Correct.
Which to do. But we will do one at a time. So this is another way of saying no. It is not a ruthless say I will not do it, but it is another way of saying no. So this no can be said in many ways. Not in one way, this is I cannot do it.
Correct.
Now, manage energy. First of all, sir, eating a right food. Start your day early and don't have the backlog of the another day. This will keep me focused, energizer as well. Having a good food habits. And most important is, sir, you have to have and will try. What I will do in my organization, will try to complete the work within a span of day. Not take the work at home or come early, to work first and then proceed to the second day. Because I learned this, the burden of incomplete task is enormous. So this I have taken into mind. So incomplete task will not be a burden for me anymore because I will complete the task. And yes, if the task is completed, it will give me motivation and energy. So I could be more productive after learning, after having this kind of picture. And since it will go to HR, I will again, from this media, I will
No, we are not sending it. I'm just joking.
You can send it. You can send it. But
he's fearless, right?
You can send it, but I will
recommend them to.
I will recommend them to have more workshops like this.
Right. Thank you so much. Let's have a big round of applause. संजीव बोलते कम है लेकिन अटेंशन ज़्यादा पे करते हैं. हमारे जैसे ज़्यादा बोलने वाले सुनते कम है.
Whatever I have learned today will be with me. I'm not saying that I will open up this book and say one by one that I will do this thing, I will do that thing. Whatever I have learned, whatever you have taught us today, I will try to implement in my life.
Correct. Yeah, but just some recap of what you have learned and what will you apply.
Yes. And the session is good, but the culture where we are working, the pressure which we are carrying,
correct,
it's not going to reduce by having this kind of session, one session.
Yes,
it should be in your continuous process.
Yes.
Say after 1 month or after 2 months.
Yeah, learning is also continuous process, yes. And then we have to focus on proactive circle of influence.
Yes.
So we can do some of the things.
And rest of the things like my friend said that I will not read out newspaper in the morning. I would not say all these things that I will not read, but I'll try to make it. Things happen as much possible as.
Right. Even small improvements done consistently.
Definitely.
You can die out of paper cuts. If there is 300 paper cuts, you'll bleed to death. But paper cut in itself is not a big deal. So small things done consistently makes a huge difference. Good, Sanjeev. All right.
I can say, it's a very good session, and I would like to have such kind of session more often than
Good.
Once in a year or.
So hopefully my job is safe now. Good. Let's have a round of applause for him.
Yes.
Next.
Shall I start?
Yeah, please.
First and foremost, big thanks for having such an informative and practical session, which can bring on the changes depending upon us to a level wherein we take it further from here. Okay. As my able friends have already highlighted the different attributes from wherein we can improve the productivity of our day-to-day life. Okay, because each and everyone, be it Mukesh Ambani or Bill Clinton or any XYZ in this universe, have got 24 hours at their disposal.
Correct.
So it's on to us what best we can derive out of all those 24 hours.
Right.
So the workshop which you have conducted has given us a clear framework wherein we can define our priorities areas, major key areas which can break into 3 important areas. Then we have to work out on to the model wherein we have to achieve them. There are certain distractions which we have to avoid. For example, that media overload. So that is something onto us. To what extent we should expose ourselves to the media coverage, to the news, print media. So that is on to us. To what level it is beneficial to us, to a level where it is not beneficial, we have to say no to it.
Right.
Okay, then we have to prioritize things, as I said earlier also, we have to prioritize. Then eat the frog is something wherein we have to take the strongest or the toughest task head on.
Correct.
At the start of the day, rather than waiting for the entire day to be it more fearsome at the end of the day. So we have to take the stricter task at the head on in the morning. Okay, so these are further different attributes which we have to cover on our day-to-day things to be more productive onto our my taking from this thing is that thing. I'll take it on a very simple manner. I will not say that I will be absorbing each and everything because I know it would be very difficult on a personal or a professional level to imbibe each and everything. So whatever best would be possible, I will take it on a phase by phase manner. To begin with, definitely I will prioritize the key areas, 3 important areas wherein I have to give my 100%. And the other attributes which are attached to it, I will definitely work towards doing that. The sort of training program which happened today definitely adds on because being a human, we tend to be lax after a certain period of time. So this sort of training program always helps us to reignite the learning or to look at the things from a different perspective. So that's all my learning from it.
Right.
Thanks all.
And last but not the least.
Yes, thank you very much for this enlightened session. I'd like to thank you and helping our colleagues. I think here whatever was presented, it was nothing exceptional, it was all available. But the only thing is how do you channelize it? How do you take it ahead? So starting from the managing the responsibilities or the KRAs, what are the most important things in your day-to-day work life? So identifying those, choosing them, the key areas which needs your focus, say for example 3 to 5 KRAs we call it in the HR parlance. For me, being a human capital,
KRA is the word.
For me as a human capital person, function, that is the most important thing to help myself as well as to keep my team focused.
Correct.
Wherein they channelize their work, energy and put their heart and soul into it. Because end of the day, if your mind is somewhere else
Correct.
and you are doing something else,
You're physically
results will
present,
not be
mentally
there.
not.
So it's like a car and a driver. If you are driving a vehicle and your mind is somewhere else, and the 4 wheels are working in different direction, the accident is bound to happen. So you are not far off from accident. So you need to focus on that. Identifying those is the key first. And once you have identified, then put all your heart and entire energy and focus on that.
Okay.
Getting that done. Second part comes the information overload, which is something we have to be used to it because the coming years is going to be tougher and tougher in terms
Correct.
of you will be inundated with spams, with mails, with lot of information wherein you don't need it. So promotional activities and lot of activities will happen. So how to have a alert system, how to have a system in place to control that, and how to remain focused and use it for yourself as well as for all the employees or the colleagues who are in the function wherein they can use to it. So spreading information